The next part is WH questions. These begin with words like what, where, when, why, who, how. So the fluent examples are: what do you usually eat for dinner? Where do you work? When do you take a break? Why do you wake up early? How do you spend your weekends? So add usually, normally, kind of for fluency. So let's practice. The statement is I wake up at 7. The question will be what time do you usually wake up? Next, the statement is I go to the office. The question of this statement would be where do you work? The next part 3 is polite and smart questions. English speakers often soften the questions to sound more polite or professional. So instead of what's your job, say what do you do for a living? Instead of can you help me, say could you give me a hand with this? And instead of why are you late, say did something hold you up? So use could you, would you mind, is it okay if to sound polite and fluent. So today you have learned how to ask yes no questions fluently, ask WH questions that sound natural, use polite forms that sound adult and professional. You're not just learning English, you're living it. Very good. So now it's the practice time. Think of 3 questions you'd ask a coworker, friend, or stranger. Use one yes no, one WH, and one polite version. Comment them below and practice out loud. For example, do you usually work late? What do you eat for lunch? And could you help me with this form? I, I'll check your questions and help you improve. Well done and keep